I got a snoreboard down at the grocery store. When I came out, I saw snorted gods practicing snorigami. They were snorkeling the sky water. It was a snoreboard. I snored in a snortex spinning around on the ground. I drank what I thought was, but it was just a bunch of snores. The tiger and the lion that sees the wind snoring. I had consensual sex with rape and then it died. I saw Salvador Dagi, Gaune, and Jackson Pollock meet up between the calendar and travel back in time. Shave your Bible.
I'm not a creep, Mommy. I'm the baby that you aborted on the coast.
I snorted.
I saw the dragon vomit the sword made of fire, and I cut the bridge from Earth to elsewhere. It was the loudest thing you could hear. It was the Snore's open legs to the injustice. What's better, a burqa made out of blasphemy or a burqa made out of feminism? Jesus Christ on the last day of his life was a cross-dresser. Did you know that the Indians tried stealing this land from the white man before the wetbacks? The music at North by Northwest killed off all the dinosaurs. Space,